Hey everyone, I wanted to quickly show you and share with you my process for doing a banner design. It was really fun, and I know design can be pretty intimidating for a lot of you. So hopefully this helps dispel some of the myths and show you some of my process lately. It took me a while to actually be comfortable with design, and it's always intimidating when you start, but no worries, we'll go through it. It's not as bad as it sounds. It's all about iterating, experimenting, having a bit of fun. So the first thing we need a concept, and the concept here was to use the evolutionary picture to show my work history and what I've done throughout time and communicate that to anybody that comes and visits my Twitter portfolio, because I've just done a lot of things over time, and it's hard for me to explain everything in just my Twitter bio. So that's my goal here. So I went to Google, searched for evolutionary picture, and I found this great picture here, and I really liked it. So I took that, threw it into Photoshop, and I used Remove BG, tried to remove it automatically. It didn't quite work the way I wanted, so I had to do it manually. After I've done that, I opened up Figma, and I tried putting it into a banner. I put all my text here, which is what I did, and put a really fun caption here of 20 years of experience that I have into things. Here, I tried a couple of different versions, like this white text version, and I tried to do this black text version, and I made the image all black by reducing the brightness and increasing the contrast here, and I quite liked that, so I tried it on Twitter, and that's what gave me the placement of the banner, and the profile picture is placed here. So I tried it and it worked pretty well. I also tried some other colors, as I wasn't too happy with the muted purple here, but I didn't quite like any of the other colors that I came up with here. So I kept going in this direction. The next step was to make it a little bit more friendly, and I thought that adding a few emojis would help here. So that's what I did. I added a few emojis. I added a message here to let followers know they can message me at any time. And then I tried adding a couple of more emojis really quick. And as I'm going, I'm just copying and pasting these boards in Figma, and I'm trying to modify it as I come up with new ideas. And sometimes I stick with those ideas, sometimes I don't. And you'll keep kind of seeing that as we go. The next step was my girlfriend. Actually, I got some feedback. I started tweeting about this, and I started getting feedback. And my girlfriend told me that this look here looks a little bit too stock image, and it doesn't look like my brand, and instead I should simplify and just use emojis. So I tried this timeline look to see if I can communicate the same message here. I then added a couple of more things like dates in here. I tried to make the emojis a little bigger, and then I needed a legend for the emojis here. Then I decided to try a Gantt chart as well to see how that layout looks. I didn't like how empty it was on the bottom here, so that's why I didn't keep going with it. Quite liked this one, so I kept going with it. I got feedback on Twitter that I should try to simplify things, so I removed this legend on the bottom and just put the experience here on the bottom, and the dates at the top. Then I tried to do a different color using SVG backgrounds in here. I tried doing different colors here. I wasn't quite happy with this. This is the default color, this red, so I just wanted to try it. I found this other color. I was still not happy with it, but for now I decided to focus on the message. I tried this other timeline to see if I can make it more interesting. I tried to have the labels on the bottom and having these dashed lines in here. Then I tried to stack up the text, as you can see here. Again, it's feedback I got from Matt Viz on Twitter. Thank you for that. So I tried that. It worked quite well, and I liked it. Then I had feedback about why should followers join and follow the journey. So I tried a bit of text here to explain why you should follow me. And I tried different copies here. You can see me trying different versions of the same copy. And then I finally found the copy that I like. Join for the memes, stay for the emojis. And the last thing to do was to iterate on the color again. So I iterated on the color, and I quite liked this color that I was able to come up with. And then I just designed my LinkedIn cover, and that was it. So it's not too bad. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think.